Rupee Man! Rupee Man here with a quick video on how you can free your Rupee from the Android Rupee mobile wallet. Now, if you've used the Android Rupee mobile wallet and you have Rupee within it, you may have noticed that that wallet has stopped syncing, making it difficult to transfer any Rupee out of it. In this video, we'll walk through how you can use your passphrase for your Rupee Android wallet to get your private keys, and with those keys, use those to import those into the desktop wallet, so that way you can access any Rupee that you may have. Now, if you haven't already, first download the Rupee desktop wallet. Now you can do that directly from rupeeblockchain.org. Just click on Wallets and Exchanges and select the appropriate download option based off your operating system. Once it's downloaded, be sure it first fully syncs. And now we're ready to get our private keys. Now, in order to do this, you will need to know your passphrase. Now, this passphrase was provided to you when you first installed the Rupee mobile wallet on your Android device. Now, if you happen to have forgotten it, you can still access that by clicking on the settings option on your Android device in the Rupee wallet. Click on Show Recovery Phrase, and then you will be prompted to enter your password. Once you've entered your password, the Android wallet will then show you your passphrase. Now we'll need this passphrase to be able to generate our private keys. That way we can use those within the desktop wallet to access our Rupee. Now in your web browser, go to rupmobile.rupeeman.com. At the bottom of the page, we're going to go ahead and enter in that passphrase. So the passphrase within your Android mobile app, we're going to put that into that box right here. Next, we'll click on Submit. And within a few seconds, we'll have our private keys. Now, based on the number of transactions you may have performed within the mobile wallet, you may have multiple private keys that need to be imported. In this example, you'll see that we have two addresses associated with our Android mobile wallet, both of which have 25 Rupee associated with them, that we'll need to import into the desktop. When you're ready to begin importing into the desktop, first click on View. This will give you your private key. This key will be used to import into the desktop wallet. Now let's go back over to the desktop wallet. In our desktop wallet, we're going to click on Help, the debug window, and we're going to select on Console. Within the console, we're able to type specific commands. In this case, we're going to be able to import our private keys. Now, if you are using a desktop wallet that currently is locked, before proceeding with this step, first unlock your wallet. You can unlock your wallet by first clicking on Settings. You have the option to unlock the wallet. Be sure to first unlock the wallet, and then you'll be able to import your keys. Let's go back to the console. We'll go back to Help, Debug, Console. And let's go back over to our web page here. Now again, this is our private key. It is helpful to be doing it on the same computer. That way we can just copy and paste. So in this case, we're going to take our private key. And you'll notice it says to import into the root desktop, use the console and the command import private key, or import priv key. So we'll go back to the console, type in import priv key, and we'll paste in that key that we just took from the website there. And we'll hit our enter key. Now when importing your private key, it does take a few seconds. You'll see there's a line right here, and when it's done, it'll give us a blank line here. Now you'll see that is now been completed. And then we're going to go back, and in this case we have two of them, so we'll close this box and we'll click on the view for the second one. Take our private key and repeat the same steps. So we'll type in import priv key and enter our key in. And then once again, May take a few seconds. And once that's been completed, then our private keys are then associated to our Rupee desktop wallet. You'll see that as I was doing that, my balance has now changed. It was previously 0. Now it reflects the total amount that's available in my, or was available in my mobile wallet. And I'm able to transfer those or do anything I'd like to do with it. So again, thanks for watching. This was just a quick video on how to get your Rupee out of the Android Rupee mobile wallet. Have a great day.